if I see another girl with some jacked up ass 613 hair, I'm going to scream, okay? We can tell it's knotted. We know it's tangled, okay? We can see it don't move. When you go to move your head, the ponytail just moves in one piece. In one piece, okay? There's no strands. It's just one chunk of hair. We can prevent this, people, okay? Hey, ladies and gentlemen. This is your girl Phoenix. I am back again and thank you for joining me. So today I wanted to do a video that I feel like was long overdue. I don't see anybody doing videos like this, but I think it's important. So if you're like me and you love you some 613 hair, blonde hair, of any kind, highlights, then you know how difficult it is to maintain said 613 or blonde hair. So for today's video, it's just going to be information on how you can maintain your 613, your ash blonde, your 27. So I'm going to show you guys how you maintain it. So the first thing that you are going to need if you have light colored hair is definitely some shimmer lights. Now this is the Shimmer Lights conditioner. You don't have to get this. You can get the generic brand. You need a purple based shampoo. Purple cancels out the yellow lighting. So eventually your blonde will start to get that butter rich tone, or if you first get it and it's very buttery and you're just not into that look, blue shampoo or conditioner. And the conditioner, I feel like the shampoo, you are more likely to turn that hair purple or blue. It's so highly pigmented with the shampoo. So you want to be very careful with that. You want to make sure you dilute it. So what I do when I'm co-washing a blonde unit when I first get it is I put about 3 tablespoons of purple shampoo in a basin that's about a gallon size basin, and I mix that shampoo in the water. I dip that wig in a few times and I take it out. You don't want to let it sit too long or it will get a bluish or purple tinge. It ain't gonna kill it, but at the same time, you'll have to wait a few weeks for that purple tinge to lighten up. So avoid all of that if you don't want to have blue or purple hair. Just watch it. Now what I do is I take the Shimmer Lights conditioner and I mix it in with this Suave Smoothing Keratin conditioner. This is my favorite one. I use it pretty much for every texture of hair I have. I feel like it works really, really well to smooth it out. It smells amazing. So I mix these two together, the purple conditioner and this regular white conditioner. And I mix about 2 tablespoons in with however much conditioner I'm going to use that day. So if you want to do, you know, a couple squirts of this, a squirt of this in your hand, mix it all together. The important thing is that you're not just tossing in something highly pigmented and you haven't mixed it in, because wherever it sits, it's going to impact that hair. I have only shampooed this hair once, and that's when I actually got it. I do co-wash this hair usually every 10 days since I've been wearing this wig pretty consistently, unless I, you know, pop it off to do a review and then I pop it back on. This is my favorite wig right now. So, when I take it off, I do a co-wash, but I do wash it when I first get it. And I found that the keratin shampoo from Suave keeps it really soft, really silky, and I've noticed it extends the lifespan of my wig. So realistically, you can do whatever you want to your wig, but at the end of the day, it's only gonna last you a few weeks if you don't, sure enough, take care of your unit. Oily blonde hair is a whole different animal. As you can see, this hair has, you know, life to it. It has body to it. It has movement to it. You want to know why? Because I don't put a lot of oil in the hair. But blonde hair is notoriously dry. So how do you combat that? Chi Silk Infusion. This is literally my favorite moisturizer for blonde hair. It doesn't weigh it down. There's nothing worse than having greasy looking blonde hair. It's stringy, it's nasty, it's not cute, y'all. A dime-sized portion for each quarter of the hair. So before I style my hair, I separate it into 4 sections and I use about a dime-sized amount for each section. And that is sufficient. If the hair feels dry to you or the ends feel dry, you want to put a small drop in your hands, rub your hands, smooth it down the hair. You want to just think to yourself, spray your hands. Last thing that I feel like you really need to maintain blonde hair is heat protectant. I like the Tresemme Keratin heat protectant. And what I do is I hold the hair out a bit. I spray from the mid shaft on down and comb that through. And this will protect your hair up to 450 degrees for when you are heat styling. You want to keep your heat styling to a minimum with blonde hair. It's already been, you know, damaged by the coloring process. So if you are just going in and every day you are curling, you will have breakage. If you are doing a lot of tugging on the hair, you will have breakage. But if you're a person who smokes, and I get down with the devil's lettuce, y'all. But if you smoke, it will turn your blonde hair yellow, especially if you have an ash blonde color or silver. Oh, you will get some yellowish old lady tones in there. To combat that, you need that silver shampoo, or the conditioner. I actually would lean more towards the conditioner than the shampoo, but whatever helps you sleep at night, okay? You just need something with that purple pigment that's gonna take that yellow right out. You wash it, condition it, and I guarantee you it will be right back to where it belongs. Thank you for checking me out. I hope this information helps somebody out. Another one of y'all. I don't want to see another one with an unflattering blonde when you can change it, with a brassy ass blonde when you can fix it. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I don't want to see it no more because I did this video, so I didn't have to see it no more, okay? That's why I did this video, so you don't have to see it. Y'all haven't seen Kiki in a while, so we just wanted to say hi. Oh, she growling. But we just wanted to say hi, so you know I didn't abuse her like I want to all the time.